Okay, this is part one of three parts. This is the report view. We will be doing table view and model view, but this is the report view. This is the view that most people are familiar with because this is when you open the desktop, what you come into. And you'll be able to build the visuals here, add the slices and the tables. Now, this is part that most people will recognize, as I said, and it's the part that beginners will try to do everything in. We can bring a visual in, so we'll just do, you could just select it there in the visuals pane, which we will go into in later videos. We could drag in the category, and then because this is only implicit at the moment, which we'll talk about in later videos, let's bring in, I don't know, total sales on the y-axis. And there you go, look. So what is it? Again, this is the report view where you build the visuals, charts, tables, slices, and anything users actually see and interact with. What doesn't happen here in this view, you don't clean the data, you don't fix columns really, and you don't define the relationships in this view. The report view generally works properly because of the hard work you've done to transform the data before it's loaded into this view. Think of the report view here as the front of house. It's what the users see. All the real work happens behind the scenes. A key takeaway here is if the visual looks wrong, it's probably isn't the visual, it's probably the data or the model underneath.